Creating an FPS game in Unity involves several steps and requires a good understanding of game development. Here's a concise guide. Set up Unity. Download and install Unity from the official website. Create a new Unity project. Choose your assets. Acquire or create 3D models, textures, and sound effects for characters, weapons, and environments. Import these assets into your project. Character Controller. Create or use Unity standard FPS character controller to handle player movement, including walking, running, and jumping. Shooting mechanics. Implement shooting mechanics by creating a script to handle raycasting, hit detection, and projectile instantiation. Attach the script to your weapon model. Enemy AI. Create enemy AI with no-mesh navigation and behavior scripts. Design enemy behaviors such as patrolling, chasing, and attacking. Level design. Build your game levels using Unity's scene editor. Place assets, set up lighting, and create a cohesive game world. Physics and colliders. Ensure accurate physics interactions by setting up colliders for objects and characters. Use rigid bodies for realistic physics simulations. Sound design. Add audio assets for gunshots, footsteps, and ambient sounds to enhance the game's atmosphere. User interface. Design the HUD for health, ammo, and other player information. Create menus for starting, pausing, and ending the game. Testing and debugging. Continuously playtest your game, fixing bugs and balancing gameplay for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Optimization. Optimize your game for performance by using techniques like occlusion, culling, LOD, and texture compression. Publishing. Build your game for the target platform and publish it on platforms like Steam, App Store, or Google Play.